Hello guys, I'm going to build a new roller machine. This is the old one, and here is some boxes that I purchased. Here is two linear actuator. This is THK model KR33, KR33. They are actually, the model number is SKR133, and there is two sliding box there, and it's the long box, and the throttle is here, 425mm. And another thing is the T-slot table. This is steel, and actually there are two pieces, and I can buy one whole pieces. And this is around half meter width, and total length is 400mm. The thicknesses is around 13mm. They are heavy, and total weight of them is 14 kilograms. There is around 18 pounds, more than 18 pounds, very heavy. And I put on the sliding board here, and you slide this freely. It's lifted. And here I can turn this to move it a little bit. It's now tilted. And here I take out the cover, and this I think is the long block tabs, and the diameter of the screw is around 13mm, and the pitch around 6mm. And this is a new one. I bought it on eBay years ago. It's expensive, but not so expensive as I thought it. And around $5 to $6 gram. Is US dollar 500 something US dollar. Yes, 500 for each pieces. 500 something US dollar. Let's not go to 600. 500 something for each. Let me see. Thank you for your watching. Thank you for your watching.